Okay, today we're going to replace the rear tail light on a 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross. And it's a real simple fix. It's just the bulb is somewhere in this area here, and that's how you can tell. You've also got the brake light, which is more over in here, and then the reverse light, which is here. But anyway, it's a pretty simple fix. We're using this Sylvania Long Life 2825 number, and it was about $6.25 on Amazon. And it's a really simple fix. All you need is you can use a wrench, a 10mm wrench, or you can use this socket set, and it's again, it's a 10mm socket. We're using an extension too. And then really all you have to do to get this tail light off is we're going to remove these 4 bolts because this goes underneath this panel right here, so we have to undo this so we get enough room to pull it out. So we'll just go ahead and remove the 4 bolts. There we have it. You want to put it somewhere where you don't lose them. And then there's the top to it. And then the final one. And there you have that. Now one thing to get this off is it's kind of hard. It sticks in there pretty well. So what you got to do is you got to pull it out this way. So I'm going to grab a hold and try to just pop it out. You got to be careful. You don't want to break anything. And there we have it. And let me show you what's holding it on. There's a little bracket here, and then you've got this little tip that'll go inside of here, and that's what secures it. And then of course the bolts. Now the bulb that we're replacing, again, it's this back tail light, and all you got to do is just twist this and pop it out, and this is what we're going to replace. All right, so here's the bulb that's burned out. You know, all you got to do with that is just pull it out and pop in the new bulb. What you can see here is you've got these 4 indents here, and then you just go ahead and you can see the 4 on this that you got to slide in. So you just find it and line it up. Go ahead and twist it on, and then if you pull on it, it's not going to come out. And then all we need to do to finish this off is just go ahead. We'll try to line this piece right here into that hole, and we'll just kind of slide it in. And you've also got to line up this with that little bracket there. And when you look on top, you can kind of see it if it's lined up, and that looks good. We've got it in here. Then all you do is just push it in, and you'll feel it click in. Yeah, it looks like we've got it. Now the last thing we need to do is just go ahead and put in the 4 bolts, and then we'll just start at the bottom and work our way up. And all these bolts are the same, so it doesn't matter which one you use. And you just want to get them nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten them. You run the risk of breaking the plastic. And there you have it. We'll go ahead and test it out and make sure it works. So you can see we have this is the brake light right here that's going on, and this is the tail light. And you can see they're both working. And of course this will be we're not going to use that one, but that's the reverse light. So it looks like all is well. Everything turned out well, so thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.